Good morning, student. Today my topic is deviation of real gases from Boyle's law and of intermolecular forces. For Joule-Thomson effect, H is equal to U plus PV. H is enthalpy, U internal energy plus P pressure, V volume is constant. dH differentiating du plus pdv plus V dV which is equal to 0. This is equation number first. Now from the first and second law of thermodynamics, TdS is equal to du plus pdv. So second equation, substitute in the first equation. Therefore, in this TD first du plus pdv is equal to TdS plus VdP which is equal to 0. 3 for isochoric process and ds is a perfect differential. S is function of STP. So for perfect differential, ds is equal to curly s by curly t at constant p dt plus curly s by curly p at constant t dp. Put in 3 t curly s by curly t at constant p dt plus t curly s by curly p t at constant t dp plus p dv which is equal to 0. This 0 T curly s by curly t at constant p which is equal to Cp specific heat at constant pressure of the gas Cp dt which is equal to, इसको उठा के इधर लेंगे तो माइनस टी करली एस बाई करली टी एट कॉन्स्टेंट पी प्लस पी डी पी. अब टी पी जो है इसको आप इधर ले जाते हैं तो सी पी करली टी बाई करली पी एट कॉन्स्टेंट एच विच इज इक्वल टू माइनस टी करली एस बाई करली पी एट कॉन्स्टेंट टी प्लस बी. It is equation number 4. From the equation number 2, TdS is equal to du plus pdv. Differentiate with respect to p at constant t. The t curly s by curly p at constant t which is equal to d curly u by curly p at constant t p curly v by curly p at constant t. This is question number 5. Also, this is your curly by curly p of PV product of the PV at constant t which is equal to p curly by curly p at constant t plus V. इस b का v तो curly p by curly p का 1 आपका इस p curly b by curly p at constant t which is equal to, इसको rearrange किया curly by curly p pv at constant t minus v. Question number 6. And now use this question number 5. Put in 5, you will get an t curly s by curly p at constant t which is equal to curly u by curly p at constant t plus curly by curly p of pv at constant t minus v. Put in 4, cp curly t by curly p at constant t which is equal to square vector of curly u by curly p at constant t plus curly by curly p pv at constant t minus v plus v. Cp curly t by curly p at constant t which is equal to minus curly u by curly p at constant t minus curly by curly p pv at constant t. This is your Cp specific at constant pressure curly t by curly p. This is your change rate of change of temperature with pressure at constant h enthalpy which is equal to minus curly by curly p. This is your rate of change of energy with pressure at constant temperature minus curly by curly p of pv. pv is the pressure volume term का product आपका, इसकी variation with pressure at constant t. फर्स्ट जो है curly u by curly p rate of change of internal energy with pressure, it will measure the intermolecular forces between the gas molecule. And pv, this is your Boyle law की बात करते हैं. pv इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट आता है फॉर आइडियल गैस आपका, फॉर परफेक्ट गैस. तो deviation of this will measure the deviation of real gases from the Boyle's law. Now special cases. For perfect gas, you know very well by definition of perfect gas, no intermolecular forces. Therefore u is not function of pressure and volume आपका. Internal energy Therefore curly u by curly p at constant t is equal to 0. Also pv equal to constant. Curly by curly p, pv equal to 0. So delta t is equal to 0. Therefore no change in the change in temperature with the pressure. For real gases, due to the intermolecular forces u is pv, curly by curly p, pv which is not equal to 0. मतलब PV boil law is not valid for the real gases. Therefore क्या हुआ यहाँ पे this term is not 0 and this is 0 also not 0 आपका. Therefore there is change in the temperature with pressure for the real gases. Adiabatic expansion of gas produces cooling. This is from Maxwell first question. Curly T of curly V at constant type is equal to minus curly P by curly S at V. तो इसको अब रीअरेंज करें. कर्ली P by कर्ली T by कर्ली S at constant V. इसको अब मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं ना. माइनस पी टी इसको रीअरेंज करें. 1 by P कर्ली P by कर्ली T at constant B multiply 1 by T कर्ली से कर्ली T at constant B which is your minus pt. तो ऐसे this term is beta meaning 1 by P कर्ली P by कर्ली T is the coefficient of variation, pressure variation of the gas, and T कर्ली से कर्ली T this is your specific heat, molar specific heat at constant volume. So therefore curly T by curly B which is equal to minus pt beta divided by Cv. From here dt इसको rearrange करें minus pt pressure temperature beta coefficient of pressure variation and dv from here Cv specific heat at constant volume. तो यहाँ से if dv is positive with an increase in the volume आपका dt is negative meaning आपका क्या adiabatic expansion produces cooling. ठीक है. तो जब भी गैस को एक्सपेंड करेगी तो वो आपका क्या करेगी एडिबेटिकली एक्सपेंड करेगी तो वो आपका कूलिंग पैदा करती है एंड वाइस वर्सा. Second part adiabatic compression from the Maxwell third relation curly T by curly P at constant S which is equal to curly S by curly B by curly S at constant P. इसको रीअरेंज करें curly B by curly T by curly S multiply T and divided by T. रीअरेंज TV V से इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया डिवाइड किया तो 1 by B कर्ली B by कर्ली T at constant P T कर्ली S by कर्ली T at constant P is T V alpha CP. Alpha this is 1 by B कर्ली B by कर्ली T. This is your coefficient of volume variation of the gas. T कर्ली S by कर्ली T this is specific heat at constant pressure. Therefore this equation become curly S by curly P curly T by curly P at constant S is equal to TV alpha divided by Cp. T temperature, V volume, alpha volume coefficient as your TV as dt is equal to TV alpha divided by Cp dt. If alpha is positive at TV also positive आपका therefore क्या हुआ with the increase in pressure dt also increases. Then adiabatic increase in the pressure result in the adiabatic increase in the temperature. Meaning pressure increase करेंगे तो temperature भी आपका increase करेगा for a gas. Next variation of internal energy with volume. First energy equation we know that according to first law of thermodynamics delta Q which is du plus pdv. Second law delta Q which is tds. दोनों combine करेंगे tds which is du plus pdv. Consider Maxwell's second equation curly S by curly B at constant T which is curly P by curly T at constant B. Multiply both side by T. T curly S by curly B at constant T curly P by curly T at constant B. TDS की वैल्यू यहाँ से फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे curly U by curly B plus P curly B by curly B at constant T which is equal to T curly P by curly T at constant B. using first question. This is your curly u by curly b at constant t. This is your um, 1, and this is your t curly p by curly t at constant b. The curly u by curly b at constant t, which is equal to t curly p by curly t at constant b minus p. This is question number 2nd. This question is called the first energy question. इसमें क्या है, curly u by curly b, rate of change of potential energy we set to rate of change of internal energy we set to volume at constant temperature, which is equal to T curly P by curly T at constant B. Variation of pressure with temperature at constant volume minus P. For ideal gas, P is equal to RT, P is equal to RT by B. Curly P by curly T at constant B. This is your R by V. Put in second question, in the first energy equation, curly U by curly B at constant T, which is equal to RT by V minus P. RT by V minus P, or from the this your P is equal to RT by B, is P minus V is equal to 0. Therefore, internal energy of a gas, red gas, is independent of the volume if T is constant. For रियल गैसेस और वंडरवाल इक्वेशन गैस की बात करें, P प्लस ए बाई वी स्क्वायर बी माइनस वी विच इक्वल टू आर टी. इसको रीअरेंज करें तो P प्लस ए बाई वी स्क्वायर विच इज इक्वल टू आर टी वी माइनस वी, P आर टी वी माइनस वी माइनस ए बाई वी स्क्वायर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, डिफरेंशियल इज सेट टू T कीपिंग द वी कांस्टेंट. कर्ली P बाई कर्ली T आर डिवाइड बाई बी माइनस वी माइनस विच 0. इसका डिफरेंस इज इन 0 we set to constant volume R V minus B. Put in second, that is in the first energy equation, curly U by curly V at constant T R T divided by V minus P. अब P की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे फ्रॉम वंडरवल इक्वेशन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. तो आर टी वी माइनस वी माइनस आर टी वी माइनस वी प्लस ए वाई वी स्क्वायर. देयरफॉर कर्ली यू बाई कर्ली वी एट कांस्टेंट टी विच टू ए वाई वी स्क्वायर. देयरफॉर इंटरनल एनर्जी ऑफ रियल गैस depend on its volume at constant temperature. Thank you.